getting teased and getting pushed around, wishing she was invisible to them. She ran home crying, why do they hate me? Her mama wiped her tears and said, baby, you're brave and you're beautiful, so hold your head high. Don't ever let them define the light in your eyes. Love yourself, give them hell. You can take on this world, you just stand and be strong, and then fight like a girl. At 31 she was wheeling and dealing, kept on hitting that same glass ceiling. She was never gonna be one of the boys, no. She could've gave up on her ambitions and spent the rest of her life just wishing. Instead she listened to her mama's voice saying, hold your head high. Don't ever let them define the light in your eyes. Love yourself, give them hell. You can take on this world, you just stand and be strong, and then fight like a girl. With style and grace, kick ass and take names. 10 years of climbing that ladder, oh, but money and power don't matter when the doctor said the cancer spread. She holds on tight to her husband and babies and says, this is just another test God gave me, and I know just how to handle this. I'll hold my head high. I'll never let this define the light in my eyes. Love myself, give it hell. I'll take on this world, yes, I'll stand and be strong. No, I'll never give up. I will conquer with love, and I'll fight like a
She looks in the mirror, but the makeup, it don't hide her pain. Yeah, she swore that the last time was the last time she'd fall again, fall again. So close your eyes just for tonight. She says, let this be alright, 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 alright. Won't you fall down on me, so close I can feel you breathe. Tonight in the darkness, with nothing to lose, if the truth is all we could see. If I fall for you, could you fall for me? Could you fall for me? I've been tore up, put down, wearing my heart on my sleeve. Yeah, those scars that you wear, well, I got them too, can't you see? Can't you see? Yeah, we both know better than this. Still we can't resist.
Still we can't resist.
Slowly get undressed. Yeah, she does. Won't you fall down on me? So close I can feel you breathe. Tonight in the darkness, with nothing to lose. If the truth is all we could see, if I fall for you, could you fall for me? Won't you fall down on me?
On me,
So close I can feel you breathe.
feel you breathe.
Tonight in the darkness, with nothing to lose. If the truth is all we could see, if I fall for you, could you fall for me? Fall down on me. So close I can feel you breathe. Tonight in the darkness, with nothing to lose. If the truth is all we could see, if I fall for you, could you fall for me?
Oh, could you fall for me? Oh.
Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning now, see us in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is untamed still. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around. But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds. take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm, and time is frozen. The story of my life, I give her up, I spend her love until she's broken inside. The story of my life, the story of my life, the story of my life, the story of my life.
I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles of whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're sure gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow that plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. How long will I hold you? As long as your father told you.